In this quick video, I want to show you how to turn on or off the flashlight on an iPhone 13. This will probably work on a lot of the other Apple models as well. So the first thing you can do is, if you're in the home screen and you can see like the time and all that, right up here where the battery is, just swipe down on the battery and then you'll see the little flashlight logo, and you can see it right here, and just tap on it. Also too, if you wanted to make it brighter or make it lighter, you just hold it down, the flashlight button. Alright, so if that doesn't work, what you're going to do, if the screen is locked, that's pretty easy to do. You see here where the time is on the very bottom left here, you'll see a little flashlight icon, and you just click it, and then that can turn on the or turn off the flashlight. And finally, last but not least, I hope you remember this. Hey Siri, turn off the flashlight. Hey Siri, turn on the flashlight. I bet you may have forgotten that. Alright, thanks for watching. If whatever reason you can't get it to turn off, you just might have to force it to shut down. And to do that, if you don't know, you just hold down the volume up or the volume down button and the home button at the same time, which is on your right side. You just hold them down simultaneously. That'll force a restart, and then you swipe it to shut it down. That will work as well. Alright, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.